Pickled red onions are the easiest way to brighten up just about any dish, and you probably already have everything you need. The best part? They're quick, easy, and packed with flavor. Let's make some pickles. Hi friend, come on in. Quick pickles are a great way to jazz up meals with a simple vinegar and brine solution followed by a little marinating time. And these pickled red onions are no exception. Start by slicing your red onion into thin half rings. Finer cuts will pickle faster. I used a knife on one half and a mandolin on the other. The mandolin gives uniform pieces, but a sharp knife can get you close. Just take your time and gently saw into the onion for even slices. There are two methods for pickling, and I will discuss them when I make the liquid, but one method will help with thicker rings if you are unable to slice them finely. Now onto that pickling liquid. I am using a half cup of vinegar and a half cup of water with 1 tablespoon of sugar, this is optional, and 1 teaspoon of salt. If you have fine cut onions or are making this ahead of time, stir until everything dissolves and pour over your onions. Let this sit at least 24 hours in the fridge for the vinegar and salt to begin the pickling process. On the other hand, if you have thicker slices or less time, heat the brine up. Not only does heat make it easier to dissolve the salt, but it helps soften the onions and makes the whole process faster. Chill and enjoy once cold. This is a quick pickle, not a traditional lacto-fermented pickle. Lacto-fermentation is a slower process that uses salt and thyme, not vinegar, to encourage natural bacteria to ferment the food. That process gives you those deep, complex sour flavors you find in things like sauerkraut or fermented garlic. These red onions don't have that funk. They're bright, tangy, and ready in a day instead of a week or more. These pickled onions turned out great, bright and tangy with just the right crunch. I found that both methods gave about the same texture after a day. A thicker cut with a hot brine has a satisfying snap, just like a thin slice with a cold brine. We like to use this on salads, tacos, and burgers, but the possibilities are endless. How do you like to use pickled red onions? Share so we can all get new ideas. If you are looking for croutons or salad dressings to go with this, check out the links. Looking for homemade tortilla wraps? I have you covered. If you like pantry forward cooking using fresh seasonal ingredients, don't forget to hit subscribe. And thanks for hanging out with me today.